What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. So there's a lot of things that are happening right now with the whole Suslaudio channel and all of the rest of the social media things, um, like Twitter, Facebook, all that stuff. So I kind of wanted just to make a short little video kind of explaining what's going to be going on, what I plan to do now, and what I plan to do in the future. First of all, I just want to say we hit 200 subscribers, which is really cool. Still a really kind of small number, small community, but every little step is important, I'd say. So some big things that are going to be happening for me. Well, first of all, I'm getting into my busy season for my contract work, so I'll probably won't be uploading as consistently, but don't worry, I'm still going to be pumping out some videos here and there, and kind of trying to organize them a bit more. A lot of the videos that I put out in the past have been kind of just like out of whim, like, hey, I got a cool idea, check this out. I'm going to try to organize them a bit better and kind of like look to see what videos that I've made that have been successful and which ones I haven't. So that's going to be coming up in the future, and kind of just trying to make better content for you guys. Because I am having a lot of fun with this YouTube channel and kind of just seeing what people have to say and learning from people as well. I still have a lot to learn, and as much as I love sharing what I know with you guys, it's also great to hear what you guys know and kind of learn from that as well. So the next big thing that I have going right now is I'm making a website. Very simple, pretty much just going to have like portfolio, social media links, and kind of like what I'm trying to do, which is just going to be kind of like a base hub for all of my other social media. So that'll be cool, mostly for like local clients, but I just wanted to tell you guys about that because I'm pretty excited. So I'm also pretty active on Twitter right now, more so than Facebook. Just pretty much posting every day, like little things that I'm thinking about in terms of like mixing, mastering, making music in general. So I would definitely go check me out on Twitter, just Suslaudio. Give me a follow and hear what I have to say over there. Also posting video updates whenever I come out with them. So new content. So I've been looking at what I've done well in the past, and my best videos have been the processor videos, reverb, compression, how to use those. So what I was thinking I'm going to start doing and start working on is processing techniques, things that like you wouldn't normally think of. Obviously everybody knows, what threshold does, what ratio does, and if you don't, you should go check out those videos right now because they're already up and that information is already out there. But yeah, so I'm going to start coming out with new techniques, like weird techniques that you wouldn't normally use, just things to think about. So hopefully there'll be a couple for each processor coming out here shortly. And I'm going to try to really organize those videos, write scripts for them, and like come out with some higher quality content for that, and just really think it out before I post it. And then in terms of the future of this channel, like right now, it's still, I'd still say it's in the early stages. I'm still trying to figure out how to how to use YouTube to the best of my ability. And I have some opportunities in my local area that hopefully will be coming up. Hopefully I'll start coming out with like recording videos, things where I can like start using a larger mic selection in an actual studio and show you guys some like actual recording techniques. That's kind of like what I'm hoping to do. Hopefully, mic reviews, things like that, and start actually making a whole different area of content to share with you guys. So that might be in the future, like several months down the road, hopefully sooner rather than later. But that's something that I'm always been looking forward to doing. It's just a matter of getting the opportunity to use the space that I have for videos. So that's something to think about. I'm thinking that will happen here eventually. Right now, it's just not plausible for me to be doing that. So, but it is in the future. So that's something to look forward to. But yeah, so I think that's pretty much covers everything that I wanted to go over. I just wanted to have a little chat with you guys, tell you what's going on with me, and yeah, keep you guys updated. I want to say thanks again for all you subscribers. Hit 200, which is pretty awesome. Pretty stoked about that. And go check me out on Twitter and Facebook. That'd be sweet. And I'll be back soon with some more content for you guys. Till next time, guys, have a good day.